Good morning everybody, hope we're all okay. We're going to get down to the courtyard. We've got to sand down the tables that Jackie painted yesterday. I'm going to finish off the walls in the kitchen and then start the doors and the door frames in the toilet block, finally. And also Dave Haynes should be down to give us a lift. And if the weather holds off enough, then we will sort these things out to do with this box. This is the box to solve all our problems. Well, maybe. Oh my goodness, what are these? You are not going to believe it, what has happened. Let me show you. I've only gone and hung the door. It's only taken 27 years. And you come in and it closes. Bang. Amazing. Just the simple things in life. Ooh, what's in the box? You can tell by the picture. Yeah.
Worked as well. What's in the box? Look. Nice. Shiny.
So, give or take a few little bits like silicone around edges of sharp bits and sealing up that floor over there and sealing around the edges of the food hatch. The cladding's all on. Give you a quick scan around. So the window surround's all done. So it's all sealed, wipeable, clean. Obviously all the tools have got to go. That's being clad in that. I've got a corner piece to go on there, which I'll do in the daylight tomorrow. Extractor is all up and done, as you can see. And all the walls are all done, clean, wipeable. Got a piece of perspex to go onto that there, and then these bits are going to get stained around the surround so they can be wiped down as well. And that is it. So I think you agree, obviously the doors are painted black, but I think you agree it looks so much better, a million times better than it did. Kitchen clad and finished, ready for the equipment to go back in. So Jacqueline,
Hello.
what time is it?
It is
Home time.
It is 8 o'clock.
We are off home. We have had some lovely tea cooked in the courtyard, and we have finished our jobs for the day.
Yes, very busy day.
As you have seen, we have done the kitchen, I've just moved all the equipment back in. Jackie has painted lots of things today.
Been busy.
She's been like Van Gogh.
I feel.
So there's one that she painted yesterday.
It's simple, but they're not.
There's the one we sanded the day before. There's the other one she painted yesterday, which I showed you. And today's effort, well, looky that. How good does that look? It takes her 2 hours
At least.
to paint each one.
And then Chris is coming along and sanding it all.
And then I
off.
come along and rub it all off. I get the best job. Mother's Day weekend as well, so I
Yes,
hope
it is.
all the mothers out there have a lovely weekend.
And I am going to get breakfast in bed.
And Jackie thinks she's going to get breakfast in bed.
Try.
What?
Trying.
She's not my mother, so it's not up to me, is it? Oh yeah, the owls.
Oh, we're not.
So the reason we've not done anything with the owls is because Dave found something better to do than come and see us today. No, so the reason we haven't done anything with the owls is because Dave's not here now till Monday. He couldn't make today. So we've been staring at this scary looking thing. Tell you what, if it don't scare the pigeons, it certainly scares me. So these little beauties, I've got another one over there, are supposed to scare the pigeons away. We'll see. Dave's idea anyway, so if it don't work, it's all his fault. We're off home.